All right, guys, welcome to King Evans Trading Mastery. If today is your first time, you'll be checking on our channel. Make sure you click the subscribe button and ensure you click the bell button just so that you can receive notification for any video we upload. All right. This video is just a quick analysis, which is our midweek analysis between today, March 10, and Friday, March 12. Right. So we note recently that some of the pairs has reached the potential support and resistance on higher time frame, and some of the pairs are currently changing direction. So this may cause some of the trades to go invalid, but nevertheless, we have been able to spot some great opportunity. So we may want to wait for a good signal to come up. But as you can see, this strategy is a strategy that gives signal almost all the time. But you want to be able to take the right entry to be able to be profitable with this strategy. So this week, midweek analysis, we have been able to spot some potential trade setup coming up so soon. So we have decided to share this today. So the first pair we'll be looking at is AUD USD. AUD USD has just tested a support. So this very candle that closed yesterday may cause this pair to pull up a little bit, but nevertheless, this pair is still expected to drop down to 0.7587 if market is ready to pull back, to pull down a little bit more, right? But with that, we can still find some trade opportunity for sell under AUD USD. So let's look for a sell. Once we see this, the cross of the 5 and 12 moving average to the downside, you want to pick a sell entry and make sure you exit your trade before the make sure you exit your trade before 0.7624. All right. So the next pair we want to be looking about is AUD card. The same thing that is happening on AUD USD is happening on AUD card. So on AUD card, we still expect this to push down very well on AUD card on weekly time frame. But the candle that closed yesterday may cause this to pull up a little bit more. But that doesn't mean there's not trading opportunity right here. So this is a potential sell, right? AUD card sell and take your profit before 0.9668. AUD card, look for a sell. The next thing I'll be talking about is Uld Swiss Franc. Uld Swiss Franc has not yet touched the resistance level on weekly time frame. So we still expect this to push up a little bit more between now and Friday. So Uld Swiss Franc, look for a buy. The cross has already happened right here. The cross has already happened. So you may want to wait for the pullback and enter the buy entry through the stochastic continuation, all right? And take your first profit before this high, okay? While your overall profit is going to be 0.7324. So Uld Swiss Franc, look for a buy. Uld Jpy, same thing is happening right here on Uld Jpy. Resistance is here to be touched. Okay, so we still expect this to pull up. The cross has happened to the upside. I am currently in this trade. Okay, so we expect this to pull up, to continue pulling up. The cross has happened between 5 and 12 moving average. So we expect this to keep pulling up to get to 8704. So Uld Swiss Franc, look for a buy. Look for a buy on Uld Swiss Franc. Euro AUD. Euro AUD is still expected to, though the pair has touched the The support on the weekly time frame, the support has been touched, but a good pullback on daily time frame may give us a good sell entry, okay, on Euro AUD. So Euro AUD, look for a sell. Look for a sell and take your profit before 1.5283. Euro AUD, look for a sell. So the cross is about to happen right here on this very candle. So after the cross has happened successfully, then you can take your sell entry. Euro AUD, look for a sell. Euro card is the next entry. The cross is just about to happen. So the same thing that is happening on Euro AUD is happening on Euro card, but Euro card is still expected to push down very, very well, okay, as its resistance, as the support has just been broken right now. But we are waiting for the week to close to be sure the support, the breakout is going to hold or not. So on AUD Euro card, look for a sell and take your profit before 1.4988. Euro card, look for a sell. Euro GBP is the next pair I'm going to be talking about. Euro GBP, we can see a significant support is yet to be touched right here. The support got broken here on weekly, so we're expecting it to come to the next support, which is this one. So this pair is still expected to pull down. So still expected to pull down. So on Euro GBP, look for a sell. Look for a sell as soon as the cross happens to the downside. Look for a sell. Euro GBP, look for a sell. Euro USD. Euro USD, this is currently at a support, but the support has been broken right here. So we expect this to keep pulling down to this bigger support on the weekly and monthly. So we are still seeing Euro USD to keep pulling down. All right, so wait for the proper entry and take your sell entry and take your first profit before 1.1838. Euro USD, look for sell. Euro USD, look for sell. GBP JPY. GBP JPY, resistance got broken right here. So the next target is our next target is the next resistance. So we still expect this to pull up very well to the upside. So GBP JPY, look for a buy. Once the cross happen on stochastic to the upside, look for a buy or wait for the pullback between the 5 and 12 EMA and take your buy once it crosses back to the upside. GBP JPY, look for buy. G-Chef is the next one I'm going to be looking about. I'm going to be talking about G-Chef. G-Chef, a resistance has been broken on weekly. So the next resistance is our target. So this is still expected to the upside. So you can see a pullback is happening right now. So we wait for the continuation. Take your buy entry. It's either the 5 and 12 crosses down, then on its way back up, you catch it to the upside, or you enter through continuation, which is through the stochastic oscillator, crosses to the upside. So G-Chef, look for a buy. G-Chef, look for a buy. The next thing I'll be talking about is NZD-USD. NZD-USD is coming from a resistance. As you can see, NZD-USD is coming from a resistance. So we expect this to pull down a little bit more. Okay, we expect this to pull down a little bit more. And resistance support has not been tested on daily. We can see a minor support right here, which price is currently dancing to the tune. So, but let's see what market is going to present to us. But based on our strategy, this pair is still good for a sell. It's still good for a sell. So when you catch your sell entry, take your profit before 0.7101, right? Because it is sitting at a support right now. So once you catch your sell entry, take your profit before 0.7101. So NZD USD, look for a sell. NZD JPY. Resistance has been touched on weekly. So, but we are waiting to see what market is going to do next. Okay, as the current candle is still pulling up to the upside. So this may give us some kind of trade entry. Okay, I can see a trade entry already happening right here on this very trade. Okay, this very trade is already activated for a buy as at the time this analysis is made. So this is a buy entry right now. So take your profit before 7917. 7917. All right, you take your profit before 7917, or you take the ratio of 1 to 1. All right. As a matter of fact, your first profit is going to be 78.20. So that'll be going to be your first profit. Okay. NZD JPY, look for a buy. NZD card. NZD card. This pair is currently at a support. Okay, so we may see some kind of pullback to the upside before we can see another drop down if ever market is going to continue going down. So NZD card, it is still sell bias. So we want to look for a sell. NZD card, look for a sell. Look for a sell and take your profit before this level. Look for a sell and take the sell has already been activated on this pair as well. So take your profit before 0.9005. NZD card sell entry is already activated as at this time. USD Jpy is the next pair I'll be talking about. USD Jpy. This is still expected to pull up to the upside to touch the resistance at 109.63. So we still expect this to go up some more. Okay, so entry has already been activated on this trade also. So look for a buy and take your profits before this level. All right. USD Jpy, look for a buy. USD Jpy, look for a buy. The last pair I'll be talking about is Uld Swiss Franc. Same thing that happened on USD Jpy is happening right here. So we can see right here on weekly that a resistance has been broken. So we're expecting this to come up to touch the 120 moving average on weekly. Okay, on weekly time frame, we're expecting to come and touch 120 moving average. So with this, we expect this pair to pull up some more. So right now, this pair is already the buy entry has already been activated. So you catch your buy entry and take your first profit before 0.9373. Okay, USD Swiss franc, look for a buy. Look for a buy on USD Swiss franc. So guys, that's all I have for you today. But just a quick recap on what you've just analyzed. AUD USD, look for a sell. AUD card, look for a sell. Card Swiss franc, look for a buy. Card JPY, look for a buy. Euro AUD, look for a sell. Euro card, look for a sell. Euro GBP, look for a sell. Euro USD, look for a sell. GBP JPY, look for a buy. GBP chef, look for a buy. NZD USD, look for a buy. NZD Jpy, look for a buy. NZD card, look for a sell. USD Jpy, buy. USD Jpy, buy. USD Swiss Franc, buy. So guys, that is what I have for you today. Make sure you follow this judiciously, and our weak pair for the remaining of the week, as we can see, is um JPY is weak, Swiss franc is weak, and euro, we expect euro to also go weak. All right, so and our strong pair for the remaining of the week, as according to this analysis, are CAD, Canadian dollars, US dollars. We're expecting these two pairs to go strong. All right, so these are the pairs we see we can spot right now. So guys, make sure you trade this accordingly, and if you do not understand this strategy, make sure you look for the king strategy right here on our YouTube, and there must be a link down below that you can click to learn more about this strategy. Once you learn this strategy can give you close to over 5% profit every day, if not 10%. On average, you can get 5% profit and more every day with this strategy when you learn how to trade with it. So guys, that's all I have for you guys today. I'm going to see you guys at the end of the week. Remember, if you have not subscribed to our channel, this is one of the best way we can you can support us, okay, because this analysis is free of charge. This is one of the best way you can support us by subscribing to our channel, and make sure you click the bell icon, and don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Share it on your groups, share it on your Facebook, share it on your Telegram group. And if you are not on our Telegram group, there is a link below that you can use to join our Telegram group for a lot of activities that are happening concerning trading. So guys, I wish you guys the best of luck and happy trading, and bye bye for now.